Hi, my name's Athena Kostopoulos. I'm one of the hundreds of artists from Townsville Grammar School creating a sculpture for Ephemera this year. Our sculpture is called Nature's Impressions. Come see what we're doing. Our artists have explored the traces we leave behind as we interact with the world around us. Tiles will wrap around the palm trees, creating totem poles. Technology students have designed and coded interactive motion sensors that will light up the sculpture. Our artwork, Nature's Impressions, is a monument to walking gently and preserving the environment.